Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mark and today we're on day 25 of drawing our animals from a jar. And today's animal is armadillo. So this should be fun. So before we draw, kindly like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell to get notified of stuff. Let's begin. Thank you very much. So here's our reference on Pinterest, and we're going to do this armadillo. I'm using my charcoal-ish brush today, but I'm going to color pick. So I'm not feeling too good today. Don't worry, it's nothing serious. But this drawing session might be a bit more chill than our others. I'm just doing a bit of backgrounding, and I think we'll be done in like 10 minutes or less, who knows. But aside from that, how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to remember to keep my strokes going in a similar direction. So now let's do the armadillo itself. It's basically a circle thing. We start with the head, which is like a triangle. So today we're just painting with this sort of pencil brush. It's the same brush I used for the chimp on day 19. Was it 19 or 20? Or is it 20? Let's start with this, and then let's do the body. Ironically, this way of looking for the forms, I first saw it in another video. I think it was on Proco's channel. He had one of those artist people that he has come on. I think he was debuting some of his brushes, and this way of painting, I first saw it in that video, and the guy actually painted an armadillo. So this is fun. I remember saying to myself, I want to do that. Here we are. In other news, I feel like we're dangerously close to the blank piece of paper, so it wouldn't surprise me if we get it tomorrow. So tonight actually, I am going to practice something I haven't been able to do with this challenge so far. That's practicing, but tonight I shall practice for what I'm going to draw if I pick the blank piece of paper. I already have something in mind, so isn't that exciting? Well, it's not that exciting because it's kind of terrifying, all these expectations I have imposed upon myself to achieve. Let's do this necky area thing. Let's put in the eye, this eye thing, and then let's lighten this brown like thing. Take this color. Why are you so colorful, armadillo? Why? Something like this. Let's do a bit of some highlights for some of these folds. A bit of this. Let's see how it looks from afar. No, not all the way there. So let me do this. Darken the inside of the ear. I'll try and erase some of this, draw over some of that. We get a bit of this highlight on this fold, a bit of darkness on these other folds. Let's try and do the spots. Just going to do a bit of them, not everything, because today is not that day. The screaming children outside living their best life. Highlight this nose and this fold, and then with a darker color, let me come here and do this, ignoring the feetsies, and then erase a bit of the silhouette up here. So today, not really caring about accuracy that much, and this sort of looks like we group everything. And then let's try and let me thin him, something like so. Put him here. Maybe let's hide this or delete it all together. And then in our background layer, you can still use this orangey color to paint in the background. Add in a bit of the yellow. Let's do this for the background. And maybe add another plant over here. Get a bit dark down here. Those dark parts. Add in a bit of light on the leaves. Not every leaf, just some of them. Maybe a bit of light on our armadillo. It's orangey outside, so let's do overlay. So there's some light coming at the top, bit of roundness over here. And then for that, I'll do a clipping group, move this into the group, something like that. And then on our road layer, probably on our thing over here, let's do this. And on our road, here's our road. I'll erase, that. Come in with this. And then on top of this, I'll go to my yellows. Yellow. Just do this. And go to the whites. Paint it in like like that, be like this. And then on top of all of this, let's see. Oh, I skipped something. So at the bottom of the armadillo, let's add a layer, put it at the bottom. Go really dark. And then let's just add in our weird shadow here at the bottom. Go filter, blur, Gaussian blur, something like that. Erase some of it lightly, and then this layer should be outside our group. Collapse the group, and then what do we do? I've never done this, so just after Sarah we can do this. I've never used this text thing, so I'm curious to see what will happen. Is something even happening? Oh, here it is. So let's do 72. Oh, okay. No clue what is happening with the text feature, but here we are, and we have a page in a children's book. Yeah, so that's it basically. Here's a full page. You fit this to screen, and I think we're done for the day. Yeah. Let me go eat something. Maybe I'm hungry, get my energy up. But this is what we have for the day. An armadillo being chased by something, probably, and getting to the end of the literal end of the road. There's a shrub growing at the end of the road. It's a very small road. You look at the divider, but it is a road, and the armadillo is at the end of the road. So hopefully you like this video. If you like it, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you tomorrow. And maybe tomorrow is when I say we have the blank piece of paper. So let me go train for that. Otherwise, have a great day. 2 thumbs up. Bye.